Hello students, today we will learn about computer hardware.
Computer is an amazing machine that can do different types of work. We can play games, write letters, draw pictures, listen to music, check spellings and do calculations on a computer. Students, what makes a computer powerful? Speed. A computer works very fast and can do multiple calculations per second. Reliability. Computers are quite reliable and do not commit mistakes. They give accurate results. Storage. A computer can store huge amount of data. You can access the stored data anytime. Okay, let us understand the components of a computer. A computer has two main components, hardware and software. First, let us talk about the hardware. The physical parts of a computer that you can touch and see are called hardware. A computer has many parts. Some parts of hardware are inside the CPU. You can see these parts only when you open the CPU. Some parts of hardware are attached to the CPU by different wires or cables. The hardware components can be divided into input, output and storage devices. Input devices. The devices that are used to input words, numbers, pictures or instructions are called the input devices.
Students, let's discuss about keyboard and mouse. Keyboard.
It is the most common device to input data in a computer. The keyboard is an input device that is used to interact with a computer.
We press different keys to type data and give commands to the computer.
Mouse. It is a pointing device.
It is used to point and select any object on the computer screen. A mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it. It has a long wire which is connected to the CPU.
It has a ball at the bottom of its body, which helps it in moving. As we move the mouse, the pointer also moves.
Students, can you tell me that which part of a body acts as input unit? Joystick. It is used for playing video games. With the help of this device, you can move things around the screen.
A joystick is normally seen in video game parlors. Microphone. It is an input device that is used to record our voice and other sounds in a computer. Light pen. It looks like a pen. You can use it on a special pad.
Whatever you write on this special pad can be seen on the monitor. Scanner. It reads words, pictures or numbers from a page directly and changes them into a form that a computer can understand.
Output devices. The devices that we use to display the results, output on the screen or on a paper are called the output devices.
Monitor. It is the main output device.
It displays the results of the calculations. It looks like a television screen and displays whatever we type or draw. It also shows the movement of the mouse pointer. Printer. It is an output device that is used to print the output on a paper.
It is connected to CPU through a cable. It prints the information stored in a computer.
Speaker. A speaker is a device that is used to give sound as an output. It helps us to listen to the music and various other types of sounds stored in a computer.
Students, do you know that the output displayed on the monitor is known as soft copy? The printed information on the paper is known as hard copy.
Okay students, let us take a recap of this chapter. A computer has two main components, hardware and software. The physical parts of a computer that you can touch and see are called hardware. A keyboard is the most common device to input data in the computer. A mouse is used to point and select any object on the computer screen. A monitor looks like a television and displays whatever we type or draw. A printer is an output device that is used to print the output on a paper. A light pen looks like a pen that is used on a special pad.